beauty. This is the natural beauty of Sikkim. Really amongst all this time, mind-blowing nature. Nature has decorated the wall. The green tree, and sometimes you will see the waterfall. Sometimes you will see a cloudy sky and mountain of the common metal. This is the natural beauty of Sikkim. All this charming, mind-blowing nature here. You will see her. Beautiful nature. Really the beauty of nature here. Mountain. All this charming. Wow. Already great. We are going to Berlin from Gangtok. Really this is where natural beauty is so nice, so beautiful. You will see a mountain. Wow, really great. Really, truly speaking that this scenario is so beautiful, amazing, mind-blowing. This is the beauty of nature. Wow, great. Really amazing. This is the scenario of Sikkim. Sikkim is the second largest state of India. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. We are going to Berlin from Gangtok. This way is the really, really nice. Beautiful scenery. Wow. You will see a mountain. Sometimes you will see a waterfall. This is good combination for nature. Beauty of nature. You will see her beauty of nature. Really beauty of nature. Wow. Great. Really amazing. Outstanding. Mind-blowing nature. This scenario was fascinating to you. Those who are loving nature, of course, all of you are comfort. Good combination. Waterfall and mountain. You will see a waterfall. Sometimes you will see a waterfall. Wow, great. Really amazing scenario of Sikkim. You will see her waterfall and outside mountain and see her mountain